Alright guys, so welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'm going to share a simple method that you can use to make an average of $200 every single week. Yes, $200 every single week. Yeah, it's going to take a little bit of work, but the returns is going to be massive if you continue the process and you keep doing that over and over and over again. I think I've shared this kind of strategy before to my YouTube subscribers if you are new to my channel, but I think it's still worth sharing. Because it's a very good strategy, a very simple method that anyone can implement, and it's very easy to do. So let me just get into that right away. So it's about, of course, it's on WordPlus. It's about launching and selling products on WordPlus. Yes, to sell products on WordPlus. Now on WordPlus you can sell anything apart from physical products. You sell digital products like ebook, courses, online courses, training, video courses, software, applications, different kind of stuff you can sell on WordPlus. Now based on this strategy I want to talk about, now look at this. All these products are recent products, are launched in January 2021, launched this year. You can see these are products launched, and this, you can see these ones are products about to go launch. So all these three products are going live today, and these are going next. This is my own products are going live on the 31st. So like that. So to use this strategy I want to share with you, you make sure that's if you're a starter, you've not launched anything, you've not sold anything on this platform. So you want to make sure you launch your product as, let it be somewhere here, the first week of every month. Yeah, first week of every month. That's if you're going to be selling once in a month, or the first week of early month, and early hours of the month, maybe about 8 a.m. 9 a.m. of the any day of the week. Yeah, but make sure your offer comes up and because you're a newbie, you're just starting out on this platform, so I think once in a month is still okay for you, because it's going to be hard for you to do that week after week. But if you have the power to outsource it and then get your things out every single week, then you can actually go on and do that every single week. So let's now go into how you can make this $200 per day. So I'm going to use a case study of someone who is doing what I want to share with you. Now there is a vendor on WordPlus. Her name is Tiffany Lambert. She's hardworking, she's a great madam, and she does a lot of products. So what you can do is you can sell your own product. Now it might be hard to very time consuming, going to take a lot of time, effort to create a product, to create something that you can offer. You need to create your pages, your sales marketing pages, bring in the products to bring in the materials together to make a product. You need to actually do a lot of work. So one thing the way you can actually go is to you ideally tell someone to create a product for you while you pay the person, or you do it yourself. So but in this case, this lady, she creates a product, and then she give away the PLR right, the private label rights. That is, once you pick it up, if you're a customer, you pick up a product, then you can use it any way you like. So it's very simple. So you can literally go and hire someone to write an ebook for you, which she does. She goes and believe, okay, so I'm not sure whether that what she does, but she sells ebooks and then she give out the PLR rights, that is private label rights. So you can actually go to Fiverr, any freelancing sites, where you can hire writers to write an ebook for you on a trending topic or a very captivating topic, and then you give away the private label rights, and people are going to rush it. And on WordPlus, you're going to get free traffic to your offers. Yes, you're going to get free traffic to your offers. Yes, you don't need to do any campaign, but if you have money to spend on advertising, yes, you can promote your book, you can promote your offer. So here, this lady, I'm going to show you exactly how she makes at least a minimum of $200 every single week on this. So now this is Tiffany Lambert's profile on WordPlus. So you can see this is a recent ebook. You can see ebook guide. Yes, it's a guide, ebook guide she gave away, and it's limited PLR that she gives out to 50 person. So let's check it out, our sales page. So if we check step by step, I think, okay, I don't have that. Okay, let's just see. This is one of our sales pages. So here she's giving away okay, she said download this brand new course with private label rights, teaching people what it takes to start a printable business online. You can see. So this is what we make our stuff sell. People can brand it with their name, they can publish it and keep all the profits to them. So that means she's giving away the private label rights and the resale rights, so people can actually buy it and then resell it. And that's one of the things that sells on WordPlus. When you give away the rights for people to sell or do anything with what you are giving out, then you are likely to get more sales on that product. So she created an ebook with a 33 page and then 14,000 plus word in this guide. So, and you see she's giving out access to free covers of the book, so you can also create 3 to 4 cover design templates, you see, in PSD formats. And then you can see she's giving a lot of value. She's giving out a book, and then she's giving an ebook, and then she's giving out cover designs in different formats, in PNG, JPG, and then PSD editable files. And then I think maybe, let's see, okay, nothing more again. So, and she's giving out for just $17. So all she just has to do is just to go ahead and then list it on WordPlus. So once she lists it on WordPlus, she makes, let's see, how much does she charge on that product? Let me see if I can find let me see. So here I can't actually find it now, but she's charging, okay, this is it. So you can see she has done 25 sales already, 25 sales on this, and she's charging us $17 on that. So if you multiply that, that's over $200 already. So imagine doing that week after week, and you can see this is on the 25th. She did this on 25th, 25 sales, another one on 25th. Imagine 2 products in a day, that's another 50 sales. And then this is over 20 sales, you can see. And that's how she makes that money. So what you need to do is very simple. Go to hire people to write your ebook for. If you don't know how to create an ebook, then give away the PLR rights. Yes, you can give away the PLR rights. Then look for things you can add up and give away as well alongside to that product. So you can see this is another one she's giving out again. Brand new report limited to the first 50 buyers. So she just needs 50 buyers, and after 50 buyers, she's going to stop the sale or she's going to increase the price. So you can see this one is for online entrepreneurs. So once 50 are sold, product will show as unavailable at checkout. So this is the book cover that follows up with the book she's giving out. And then you can see just a brief summary about the reports, and then a short excerpt, and then what they can use the book for. And then you can see she's actually charging $10 on this. So people are actually going to rush to pick up this offer. Let's see, what's the name of this offer? How to handle stress as an entrepreneur. So let's see. Okay, I've closed that page. Okay, how to handle stress as an entrepreneur. So that's 25 sales. That's about $250 minimum. So you can see, so if you continue doing that, you release and then list out new products on this platform, then you begin to get build your list. So one thing you can do is, though you are just starting out, but what you can do is, as you are selling them, make sure you are keeping your buyers in your list, inside one place in your email list, so that you can always, when you list out a new ebook with PLR rights, you can email them that you have a new copy, a new book, and they can grab it up with your PLR rights. And then that's how you get more and more. So you make money from your old buyers, and then you get new buyers, and your new buyers, you get them inside your list, and then you keep on doing that over and over and over and over and over again. Before you know, you'd have gotten about, let's say 1,000 sales, and you have gotten about 500 followers, and from there you keep getting consistent sales, maybe 10 sales, 20 sales, 25 sales, just emailing your past customers. And if you have a good product, you can get affiliates to promote your offer for you while you pay them commission. So it's as simple as that. So one thing again you need if you're just starting out is if you want to go into this, you want to start listing product on WordPress, you want to start launching your own product on WordPress, you don't know how it works, I want to give you access to my training. I have a full training course. This is what I do as well. I sell on WordPress, I sell PLR products, and I convert very well. At least most times I get an average of 50 sales. Yes. So what you can do, I have a full course. It's in depth from scratch, from A to Z. Normally, if I'm going to sell this course, it's going to come with upsells. You can see this is the front end. This is the OTO one-time offer. That is an upsell, an OTO 2, OTO 3, OTO 4. But if you are picking up this, I'm going to give you access to everything. Yes, everything from the front end all to the OTO 5. So there's a link under this video to pick up this training course. It's cheap. It's very cheap. Pick it up, and then you'll be able to, you will get everything you need to launch on WordPress. Every single thing, how I get PLR products, where to get PLR products, every single step to get your products live, even with case studies. I show you even case studies, people that you can copy and follow how to get your product launched on WordPress. So, and I included bonuses, an action plan you need to do, many things, and how to take this to a 1000 plus magical results when you list your product. So go ahead. I've revealed to you something you can do right now. You can go to Fiverr, hire someone to write a topic, maybe a trending topic for you, or a topic that's evergreen or that will get attention of people. Or maybe I think let's say how to lose weight fast or how to make money fast. I don't know. Just look for a topic that's captivating, that will get attention of people, and then you give away the PLR rights. You can see, just look for a profile for one of our sales pages, understand how she crafts a copy like this, and then you can just do the same thing. You don't need to copy it word for word. No, don't copy word for word. Just do something like this, and if you can do this and you get just one sale, then you've made profit, you've made something. But if you go ahead and you keep doing that over and over again, then you improve and get better and get more results. So I hope this is something you can do, and you will do, and you take action on it. So I think that's all about now. So just go ahead and click on the link under this video to pick up my training. That's if you don't know how to sell products, how to get started on WordPress. Even if you know how to do, still go ahead. I want to recommend my training. It's very in-depth. I would even say it's one of the best comprehensive training you find on WordPress. There is nothing held back. In fact, there was a 15-year-old girl that has been using my products, and she has made hundreds of dollars with my products. So you can go ahead and pick it up, and they pick up my training, so you also can start selling on WordPress over and over and over again. It's a good source. It's a good platform you can use to make money online. So if you have any question for me, you can leave the question under this video, or you can reach out to me on Facebook. There's a link as well to contact me on Facebook. Connect with me on Facebook, and then let's interact, or let's talk if you have one or two questions for me. And if you need me to set up your pages for you, to design your page, to write your copy for you, to do things for you, I can do that for you. I can do that. I do that. I've been doing that for over 5 years or so. Yeah, for over 5 years, writing copies, setting up sales pages, quiz pages, opt-in pages, different marketing pages that actually convert. So I think that's all for now. That's all about that. So go ahead and pick up my training and start your product on WordPress. You're going to get a lot of money doing that. So you can see this is one of our products again, Tiffany's products, breaking the chains of emotional eating PLR. She has done, let's see how many sales she has done here. She has done 250 sales on this. So here is actually an ebook with 2 short reports, email response series, articles, and product reviews. So I think she gave out value right there. But you can just start with just an ebook. I've showed you how she did it. Just an ebook is okay. List the ebook and give away the PLR rights, and then you can get 10 sales as a starter. Yes, I'm sure you can get 10 sales if you do everything fine. And I've said you can reach out to me. I'm going to do everything for you. I'm not going to bill you too much. I'm going to do everything for you, and then you can get going. It's as simple as that. So I want you to go ahead and take action and act on this, and I want to hear feedback from you, your testimony, how far you're getting your conversion. So I hope this helped you one way or the other. So thank you very much for watching this video. My name is John Anaviolore. I'm going to see you on the other side. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.